Good morning, Jolene. Good morning. How is Jolene today? Good morning, ladies. Ready to get out? Good morning, ladies. Good morning. Good morning. Anybody still? Anybody? No. Let's see if I got eggs. A few. Good morning, friends. Shannon here at Old Oaks Farm. We are moved into the farmhouse, and it took a while to get it done. It's not finished, but we're moved in. We still got a lot of work to do. I'm not going to show you the inside. Angel would kill me. It's just a bunch of stacked boxes with, furniture and stuff, just haphazard. It's in there, though. It's there. We're sleeping in there. We're parking in the driveway, so we're here in the farmhouse. But a lot more work to do. The farmhouse is still not done, but we're moved in. Today is going to be an outside day in the yard. A lot to do, just around to clean up. A lot of cleanup to do. We got to get the dog pen built so Chief can have a place to run and be here and go outside. We're going to work on the garden. I'm going to show you my experiment to grow greens over the winter. Has mixed results, and we'll talk about that. I'll show you what we've got so far on that. So, a lot going on today here on the homestead. Let's get going. Hey guys, I'm kind of in a hurry because we're losing the light, but I wanted to show you my experiment of growing greens all winter long is going pretty good. They're all still alive. You can see I've got some red lettuce, I've got some green lettuce here. Down here I've got some spinach. Down there I have some mesclun mix that has some kale and some what else is in there? Kale, collard, and different kinds of lettuce. So I've got it's still pretty much alive. Now the trouble we've been having is with this stuff right here. The wind tears it up. So we've taken these things and we've redone them and put them down lower, and maybe that'll help some. Down here we have some other lettuces and some collard. This is a winter variety head lettuce, and I have high hopes for it. It looks pretty good. Collard and these, and then this is another head lettuce that's a little fancier version of head lettuce right here. See that leaf right there? That's a spinach leaf, and that's damage from frostbite right there. But that's the only one. The spinach is the only thing that is frostbit. The rest of it is doing really, really good. So the thing is, it's all still alive, but it's not growing. And two reasons, I think there are two reasons for that. One is the days. This is December, this is December 7th as I'm filming this. And the days are just too short. There's not enough daylight. It's not even 5 o'clock yet, and the sun's going down. So just there's not enough daylight right now for it to grow. I've started these inside with some supplemental light, so they're doing good, but when I put them out here, they're probably just not going to grow either. The other thing, I may have still have gotten some growth if I would have added some fertility to the soil, but you know, we're trying to do the house, and I just didn't have the money to go out and buy a big load of compost. So as I've added, I didn't put any amendments in the soil. I didn't add any fertility. And so they're just kind of stunted. I don't know if they're stunted or if they're just waiting for more light and more fertility. They've been, they've had plenty of water, and they've gotten sunshine when the day has shone. But I think those two things, I've learned a lesson. I needed to add fertility, and I probably should have started them a little earlier in the fall to get them up a little bit bigger before, because I think you can overwinter the greens, but I don't know if you can really grow them very much. They're just not going to grow very fast with this little daylight. So that's my experiment. I'm learning how to do this. I think I can grow these, but it's just going to take some time. It's a lovely scene. I'm not?
No.
Why not?
Because I said, thank you though for the lovely scene.
So very